Hello everyone, welcome to Explaining Sales. In this series of videos, we will explore PowerShell. Up until now, we have covered basic information like command structure and the help system. Today, we will learn how to find the commands for a particular task and some basic commands to get started with PowerShell. As discussed previously, the help system provides discoverability features. And now let me begin with an example. I want to list all of the running processes in my system. But wait, I don't know what command to use, but what I know is PowerShell commands have verb, noun, or simple naming format. So what I can do is go to my shell and type help process. The command returns a list like this, and since I want to view running processes, get process might work. So if I type get dash process, now I get the list of running processes in my system. Now let me explain what's happening. Technically, the help system has no idea what commands are present in the shell. All it knows is what help topics are available. So when we did help process, the help system provided us a list of help topics for these commands. One important piece of information is help supports the parameter dash name, which is positional, so you don't necessarily have to provide the parameter name. Now let's go back to the shell to understand it more clearly. Help process. When we type this particular command, what shell understand is help dash name process. The process is the value for dash name parameter, and notice name parameter also supports wildcards if you are familiar with it. So how do I know the name is positional and supports wildcards? I read the help for this command and all this information is clearly mentioned there. Let me show you. Help get help dash pool. Now if we scroll down a little bit further, see it's right here. The name parameter gets help about the specified command or concept, position 0, and except wildcard characters true. So it's always recommended to read help file for commands if you are getting stuck while doing something. One neat trick is what you can do is help get help, and if you know the parameter name, you can just do this, and this command just returns information about the parameter that we have specified and omits all other information that we do not require right now. As mentioned, the help command does not search for commandlets, it searches for help topics. What you can also do is directly search for commandlets by using get command. For example, you can run command process, but the result will include not only commandlets but also external commands which may not be useful, such as this queue process. A better approach is to use noun or verb parameters, because only commandlets have nouns or verbs. The result will be limited to commandlets. Get command noun process returns a list of commandlets dealing with processes. You can also use the command type parameter specifying the type commandlet. Get command process and type commandlet. The result lists all commandlets that includes process in their names, and list won't include any external applications or commands. An alias is nothing but nicknames for a command. And although PowerShell commands names can be nice and consistent, they can be long. So in such situations, aliases can help. And PowerShell provides the commandlet get alias. Now let's go to the shell and see its usage. Type get alias definition get process, and we can see that GPS and PS are alias for get process. So if we just type PS, we can view the running processes in my system. Another case where alias might be helpful is if you are coming from Linux background, or simply if you are familiar with Linux command line, that will be helpful to operate PowerShell. Some commands like ls, cd, ps, cat works as it is in PowerShell. They are aliases of actual PowerShell commands defined in background. Now let's see it in action. If we type ls, we can list the contents of the current directory, and we can change the directory using cd command, cd -- to go back a directory, and cd to go to a particular directory. Now what happens, or what is happening is, if we type get alias ls, we can see that ls is an alias for get child item, which is PowerShell commandlet. And we can also type get alias cd. Now cd is alias for set location. This way, if you know some basic commands for system navigation in Linux, you can try it in PowerShell and it might work. And now the thing is, you will most probably use whatever you are comfortable with, but as you progress through your learning journey, you need to be able to understand what's going on under the hood. Now that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we will solve some problems utilizing the things we have learned until now. So see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.